I'm working on a 2012 Chevy Cruze. Customer complaint, smelling coolant. I checked over the car a few weeks back. I couldn't see any coolant leaks, but he took it to me for another problem today. And when I opened the hood, I noticed something. Noticed a little bit of coolant dripping from this guy right here. That's your coolant bypass hose. Just whatever excess doesn't need it feeds back into the reservoir over here. And yeah, so anyways, I noticed a little bit leaking, so I went ahead and popped this clip out right here, and this guy here. Went to pull it off and just see if it needed an O-ring, and when I went to pull it off, there's what happened. It broke right off. So that's the deal. I'm assuming that's probably a pretty common problem with these cars. I was looking at the plastic in it, and it's super fragile, and really a small, there's a small joint on it, and I'm assuming that they all break after a while, but yeah. Yeah, if you're smelling coolant, that's perhaps one spot to check on your car, because it seems like it would be a very common problem. So one thing I want to point out with this, this is what your new hose is going to look like. When I went to put this on, it wouldn't fit. The reason being, this piece had actually broke off inside here. This is a separate piece. It's a separate fitting that just fits in there, kind of deal. And this is the piece. It's a separate piece. So could be that yours is broke off in there as well, and it won't fit. So this goes in first. This one goes into there, like so. This thing clips on here, just like so. And these two little slots in the bottom, like that. This thing clips on these grooves down in here, right underneath the fitting. You just slide it in once everything's in place. Slide it in, and that's it.